to be infinity. When will I truly command life and seize upon the reins, directing form before my course to make more smooth the way? Let the perished lie, may they mound and swell, that missteps are made padded, and sweet success as well is buoyed light and lithe. May forever gleam, may future proper seem to follow in the footsteps of trail I blaze today, when mind grows resolute to leave the camp away, for now I must depart. Now the only art of living must be made by dint of my decision to seize the noble reins. Now I life command, come and clasp my hand, still vital with the spark. Sojourn with me, and hark, our wordless destiny is calling with the voice of this our highest choice, to be infinity.